just finished a meeting with the team. This is the room that I've come into to pray the whole prayers. I'm just on my way to work today to a shoot at Pinta, which is a lovely studio in Deptford Bridge. So I'm just making my way now. I'm getting there a little bit early so I can set up the place before we start recording. I'm using my phone to vlog because I didn't bring my camera because it's a little bit of too much effort. To Jumu'ah this morning. I slept at 7 AM, so I am so tired, but it's actually 12 PM midday. Finished cooking and have just prepared the table for iftar. I fried some salmon here, but why does it look burnt? I promise you it's not burnt, okay? So we have some salad here, some fried salmon, some potatoes. We call them red potatoes because there's a sauce that they're in. And what's that? I think that's some of the meat we had yesterday. I think that's beef with a little bit of potatoes in there. So sort of like, just like a beef mince, halal beef mince, and then some chapati. And then some dates. Okay, I'm gonna style my hair today because I haven't styled it in 2 days. I wanna try and use this curl defining mousse from Rizzo's Curls. Now, I'm aware this could go terribly wrong because my hair doesn't really love mousse and I don't ever use mousse. But I saw this in one of my boxes and I thought, I've never tried this, it smells good. It's from Rizzo's Curls, which usually their products are really good for curly hair, and other products that I've used from them I really liked. I don't ever use curl defining mousse. I stopped using mousse. I only use cream and gel based products. But I want to try this today. Like, I want to try something new. Okay, pause the mousse for a bit because it's actually not as moisturizing as I thought it was. But it's a mousse, it's not meant to be moisturizing anyway. So I think I'm going to go with my gut and use a cream instead than this mousse. But it was, you know, it smells great, but probably not for my hair type. Instead, we're going to go for the Curl Activating Lotion by Flora & Curl. I'm trying to do this really quick because it's almost 5 o'clock and I was helping my mom a little bit before, but she told me that I can go and like chill for a bit. So I'm gonna go back to her in about half an hour and make some iftar. I think we're having some chicken today. Some chicken with chapati and red potatoes. What else are we having? Table is set for iftar. We've got some tea there. That was the red potato that I was talking about. Why? Do you hear that, guys? Mama said don't show them we're hungry, but we're real on this channel. She burnt them. Some chicken, some dates, and some bissa. Look at this pretty girl. Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah. We are just leaving for... Every time I come on camera, my hijab looks funky. Mama, we're going. So on our way to taraweeh tonight. Tonight is one of the first odd nights of Ramadan, so it's a very special night. I have 1 minute left to record. I need to delete some footage. But yeah, great stuff.
والأرض أن تزولا ولئن زالتا إن أمسكهما من أحد من بعده. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله.
Just to make sure, those who want to pray Qiyamul Layl, for you two options. One, you pray the witr with Imam now. So when Imam gives the taslim, you stand up and you pray another rak'ah. So you don't pray one rak'ah, you pray two rak'ah. And then when after Qiyamul Layl, you will have another witr here. You do it as normal with the Imam. So this is the first option. Second option, you don't pray the witr now. This one rak'ah, you don't join here, you go. And when the Qiyamul Layl, after Qiyamul Layl witr again, you join this one.
Day 21 of Ramadan. I can confirm that I'm ill. I knew I was going to be ill, like I could feel it yesterday. Ill and fasting is the way today. So we're going to power through the day. Inshallah, we'll be fine. I think going out last night made it worse, but alhamdulillah, I did 20 rakahs for taraweeh, so. But I feel okay today. I still feel like I can do things. It's mainly just in my throat, in my nose, in my head, in my chest. Okay, it's everywhere. But just about to pray the dhuhr now. The time went forward this morning. I looked at my phone and it was 1 a.m. and all of a sudden it was 2 a.m. I was like, oh, okay, we're going forward already. Hello? This is like the fullest the table has been. MashaAllah. MashaAllah. So we've got some dates, cashew nuts, chicken, bit of pasta, sambusa, mahambri salad, and some tea. So here was what I made. It looks really, really nice. And then I also made some ginger tea to drink for my throat. It's got some honey in it as well. Some raw honey. Yeah. Oh yeah. 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 Guys, I just want to come back here and say I'm really happy about this. I'm going to be doing this every single day. Cheers! Tonight Savia is hosting iftar at my nan's house and we are here just prepping. I look a bit crazy because I came back from Pilates, very tired and yeah. So just here prepping.
I'm going to put you on gravy duty. At them three, they're fasting. I bet one of my friends, I know Najma, is going to come late.
Najma, don't come late. These are her uni friends. Yum.
Guess what I did?
I went to a Pilates. Do you know what Pilates is? I don't know too much about it. I don't know the actual definition, but it's a type of exercise that you can do where you're just you're moving your body in different ways. There's a type called reformer, which means you're sat on a machine. You tie your hands into something. It's a bit complicated to explain, but it's like a type of workout. Yeah, so the Pilates was good. Would I do it again? Yes, I actually would. I would do it again because it felt like a good burn and it was like a different type of way that I've moved my body, as I usually just solely do weight training. It was challenging in a good way that I liked and I enjoyed it. So is she going to be a Pilates princess? Maybe. Not before weight training though. Weight training will always have my heart. Always have my heart. That was my first love, my first baby, and it will always be. But I'm looking to do Pilates a bit more often now. I've never ever done it, as in started it consistently. But now that I've had a couple goes, I would love to try and do it at least every 2 to 3 weeks. Not every week, because I know that's a bit much to commit to right now. Also, the price of Pilates, like, am I the only one? But generally the prices can be 25 to 30 pounds for a session, which lasts about 30 minutes to an hour. Ours lasted an hour, but this was a giveaway, so I got a free session. And my very first Pilates session about sometime last year was also free too. So I've just had free Pilates sessions, which is great. But I know I've checked the prices before, and I know they generally range around 25 to 30 pounds, depending where you are and the location, I think. That will be interesting, but I might continue going with my cousin to see, you know, if I enjoy it, or maybe I'll go by myself if I find good studios, or with my sister, or with friends. But I do like to do things by myself, so we'll see how that goes. But it was my rest day, so it kind of felt like active recovery, a different type of active recovery that I've never done. I usually just do cardio, or I just completely rest. So that's looking like something I might add to my schedule. Anyway, I'm just waiting for Sophia's friends to get back so we can eat, even though I'm not fasting. But yes, excited.
وإذا الوحوش حشرت وإذا البحار سجرت وإذا السماء كشطت وإذا الجحيم سعرت كالكريم الذي خلقك فسواك فعدلك في أي صورة ما شاء.
Yeah, I actually bought some new jewellery online, but I didn't show you. It's kind of like...
Is that earrings?
Where is it? Okay, it's kind of like these type of earrings I bought online. Kind of like that. Even that bag is cute. Oh yeah, I told you I like bags like this. I'm looking for a bag like that. Guys, I'm stuck between what heels to get for Eid. My dress is like kind of pink. I like these type of shoes. I like the wedge, I like the heel and the elevation, but I don't know if I want open toe, you know? So I ended up in House of CB, but this was not the plan because I already have an Eid outfit. But I couldn't help and look at these because they're so cute. I think I'm going to try these on even though I already have a dress, but House of CB is always cute vibes. Just got a blended latte, which is actually really lovely. Where's this again? Oh, Cafe Nero. Coffee shops make me happy. Anywho, anyhow, I can't see myself, so I don't know if I look terrible or not, but I'm very tired. But we've just got confirmation that Eid will be on Wednesday, so tomorrow will be the last day of Ramadan. Can't believe it's over already. Always goes by so quickly, and it always comes quickly. So let's make the last of Ramadan tomorrow. Anyway, we're coming to the end of the video, and if you enjoyed it, make sure to like and subscribe. I did it a little bit differently this year. This year I did 2 vlogs. Last year I did 4 vlogs, vlogging every week. But I wanted to change it a little bit and see how this went through. So if you enjoyed this, then it would be great to know. Oh my god, I have a whole dilemma with my Eid outfit. I'll keep it for the next vlog, but oh my god, it's just... Anyway, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next vlog.